Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Brianna Collette, and we're here in Washington, D.C. at the 8th Street Festival. And I'm with Ralph Barbieri, our lie detector administrator, here to find the truth.
My name is Leah, my friend's name is Sally, and we've been friends for over 6 years.
We lived together all through college and then recently moved back in together.
I am really nervous that she is going to ask a question about her and me and my boyfriend all moving in together.
I'm guessing that you like her man?
I do.
Okay. Now, Leah.
Yes.
Do you disapprove in her taste in men? Tell the truth, Leah. Oh, she's thinking.
I really don't want to answer this. Yes, I disapprove.
You do? Oh, she doesn't like who you date.
I had a feeling.
She's telling the truth.
I had a feeling.
Okay, tell me why. Tell me why. Let's get to it.
They don't treat her nice. She deserves better.
Do you agree with her?
I agree. Yeah.
You do? Do you like her current boyfriend?
Yes.
If she doesn't like him, then I might be looking for another roommate.
Yes.
Oh my God. Did you know that?
Significant
I
reaction.
had a feeling, but she hadn't admitted to it.
I really thought I was going to be able to pull that one off.
Ralph says that's a significant.
Significant reaction.
Wow.
Significant reaction.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
What is it that you don't like about him?
He's too wishy-washy.
Oh, wishy-washy.
Make
Give
up
an
your
example.
mind. It's like, are we exclusive? Are we not? Like, just make up your mind. If you don't want to be, then don't be. If you want to be, then be. But stop wasting everybody's time.
Ooh, this is a good friend. Do you feel like this current boyfriend is wasting her time?
Yeah, a little.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, she's telling the truth. He is. He's wasting your time. Now, when she's not around, in the old apartments,
Yes.
have you had sex with your man and other than the bedroom, anywhere in the apartment?
No.
Really? For
I don't
2
think so.
years?
No.
Oh, she's telling the
so.
truth. Oh, okay. We talking about the
Fair
same
enough.
guy here?
Yes,
Is this the same guy?
same
Okay,
guy.
okay, cool.
This is in college.
I just.
Because I was like, new boyfriend's right here, so
Yeah.
let's
Oh,
not
he's
bring
a-
up the old. So the couch is a safe place. Nothing has gone down on the couch.
No. Nothing. Nope, not yet.
Not yet.
Anything happened on the couch? She said no.
She's telling the truth.
Okay.
Okay, that's good to know.
Okay,
But
no
notice-
couch christening.
Notice she said not yet.
No,
So-
no. If you had to kick one person out, if you had to choose, would you prefer to live with Sally or David?
Sally.
Really?
Definitely Sally.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, okay. David's like, this is really interesting. Okay.
I guess I can just hope that my boyfriend doesn't hate me because I picked Sally over him.
David, yeah.
Bye.
Boyfriend, we love you, but we
We
don't know
love
how long
you.
you're gonna last, to be honest. That's it for the Truth Track. I'm Brianna Collette. Until next time, see ya.
We survived the truth truck.
I'm looking for a new apartment.